Using your truck or trailer to transport your sleds, it's all a part of snowmobiling in the wintertime. But it's not always easy, so utilizing products that make this process easier is something that we always like to talk about here at SnowTrax. There's a lot of companies out there who make products to assist in the transport of your sleds, and one of those companies is Caliber, who make everything from shop dolly wheels to sled ramps and even hard-mounted trailer ski and track guides to assist in getting you out on the snow with less hassle. When you start out in the morning or likewise finish up after a long day's ride in the evening, a lot of us like to leave our sleds inside the shop so that they can thaw out, but that can come with its own set of problems as well. Using Caliber sled wheels as well as the Trax wheels allows us to move the sled around the shop with ease. The ski dollies work with nearly all sled skis and actually lock onto your ski so that you can drive it up to 12 miles an hour. When you link this up with the rear Trax wheel setup, it'll accommodate up to a 3.25-inch deep lug, and it has a 5-inch oversized caster. It means that you no longer have to struggle to move your sled around the shop with just a single undersized caster. And because it's a tapered base, it means that if you hit a rough spot in the concrete, rubber, or even a piece of gravel in the shop floor, it won't cause the dolly to fall off the track like so many others do. Once you're ready to ride, it's as simple as removing the rear Trax wheel and driving out to your truck or trailer. Which brings us to ramps. If you don't have a sled deck in your truck, you need to get the sled into the back of your truck, and the old snowbank trick, well, there's not always a snowbank close by. That's where a product like the Ramp Pro comes to play. It's a 1,500-pound rated, lifetime warranted, all-season ramp that'll work for your ATV, sled, dirt bike, or even golf cart. The ramp is foldable, so it'll slide in beside your toy in the back of your truck. The grips not only to make loading and unloading super easy, but also to make walking up and down the ramp much safer, and Caliber claims it's the safest ramp in the industry. Now, if you have a trailer to haul your sled, there's yet again a sea of options when it comes to traction products for inside of your trailer to guide your sled in safely. Caliber is a company who offers one-stop shopping and even offer an online trailer configuration guide to help you select the right products to outfit your trailer properly for your needs. And right up front, the first thing first is an innovative and smart idea called the Edge Glide 2.0. This folding ramp transition will save your trailer's steel, wood, and aluminum from getting destroyed by your sled's carbides. They come in 24-inch width and even have an integrated cut line for trimming to fit your trailer door properly. Moving from here, we can utilize the grip glides, which are a low-profile, low-friction guide for your skis. These are available in a variety of sizes at 6, 9, or 12 inches wide and various kits with quantity for outfitting your trailer. They allow the ski to effortlessly glide, yet keep you on track with the concave ridges and also give traction for walking thanks to built-in grips. When you transition from the grip glides at the corner in your trailer, Caliber makes a pretty unique product called the Flex Glide that actually mounts to the angle you want your skis to take thanks to their fully adjustable design. They are also available in a low profile for inside ski or high profile for the outer ski, keeping you on track even if you're carrying a bit more speed than you should. Now, when it comes to the track of your sled, there's also benefits here to having grip inside your trailer. It means that you're not going to tear up the wood or vinyl floor underneath. Especially important for those of us with studded or pre-studded tracks, a product like the Trax Grabber goes down with the included stainless hardware and gives 16 inches of width for your track to grab. It's guaranteed not to break and backed by a lifetime warranty, and works with the low-profile trail lugs or even big paddle mountain tracks and everything in between. And the final finishing touch, should you want to keep your trailer ramp even safer for loading, is the edge guards. With a 4.25-inch sidewall, means that your kids or even an unexperienced rider can drive up the ramp without worry of going off the side. Like a guardrail, they keep you on course and make your loading experience much safer. I know that we've shown you a lot of information today, but when you utilize safety products like these from Caliber, you're not only going to have a safer experience when you load up your sled, you're also going to protect your investments in the long run.